Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you turn on the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program for your YouTube channel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you spend a lot of time putting together a YouTube channel, you want to make as much money out of it as possible. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your YouTube studio. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my YouTube studio, and this is the dashboard. And here on the dashboard, if you want to go ahead and turn on the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, here on the left, you're going to click on Earn. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the top. And in order to turn on the Shopping Affiliate Program, click right here, Shopping. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a few options down here. So stores is going to be if you are selling a product. So in order to turn on the Shopping Affiliate Program, click right here, Turn On. Okay, here they're going to let you know a little bit about what the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program is. Go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, here you're going to see the terms of service. So go ahead and read through this. And then if you agree to it, go to the bottom and click this button and click on Join Program. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I am a part of the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program now. So I can go ahead and start tagging products in my videos. So one thing I'm gonna let you know, if you want to join the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, it's not available in all markets. Also, you do have to have a minimum amount of subscribers for that program to be open. If you need help tagging products, go back and watch my other video that describes that process in detail once you become an affiliate inside the YouTube Shopping Program. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on the YouTube Shopping Affiliate Program, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.